Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Rakshita. I'm currently pursuing my MBA in SPC College in Bangalore. In this video, I'm going to explain the formulation of research. What do you mean by first we are going to read the what you mean by research. Research is a systematic process of inquiring aimed at discovering, interpreting, or receiving fact, theory, and applications. It involves gathering information, analyzing the data, and drawing conclusion to increase the knowledge on particular topic. Research can be conducted in a various fields such as a science, humanity, social science, and more. What do you mean by research? Research is a systematic process. It is a systematic process. We have some process when we are doing the research, that is application research and systematic. Like that we have some research in on the basis of process. We are going to analyze we are going to find the new things in the society. In which field we can do the research? In science, humanity, and social science, and more, etc. What we have clear information in someone field, we are going to we are going to gain a more knowledge in that field. That's why we can do the research. We have some formulation of research in hypothesis. Formulating a research hypothesis involves the creating a clear and testable statement that predict an outcome based on certain conditions or variable. Here who you can formulate the research hypothesis. When we do the research hypothesis, we get negative or positive, true or false. We can get hypothesis means we have a two types of hypothesis. One is alternative hypothesis, one is null hypothesis. We are get true or false, that give a clear picture to the research. First step is identify the research question. We should identify the research on the what is the basis of research. We should ask the question it ourselves. Determine the specific question you want to answer. This question should be clear, focused, and researchable. We are thinking a question that should be in a reasonable and clear. We should have a focus on that question. And next one is conduct a literature review. Literature review means already it is there in a society. We are going to review that research. It's called a literature review. Review existing research to understand what is already known about your topic. This helps to identify the gaps in a knowledge and inform the hypothesis. Already someone do that research in that topic. We are going to review that literature. What is the gap in the research, what they done, what we are going to done, we are going to review in the research. Define a variable and independent variable. We have two variables. One is dependent and independent. Dependent variable means what you will change or multiply. Dependent variable means what we are going to change in the research. Dependent means what you will measure, how, why we are measuring that research. That is a dependent and independent difference. Make an educated guess based on your understanding from the literature review and relationship between a variable purpose and a possible outcome. This your hypothesis. Make an educated guess means what we are going to review in a literature review. What is the gap between someone did research and we are doing a research? What is the gap, and what is the dependent variable and independent variable that we are going to guess? guess in the this one. Ensure the testable. The hypothesis should be specific and testable. It should clear test and expected relationship between the independent and dependent variable. Hypothesis have a clear cut information, it is a true or false. It give a major impact on a dependent variable or independent variable. Formulation of hypothesis. Write your hypothesis in a clear and conclusive statement. It can be the form of null hypothesis or no effective or relationship, and an alternative hypothesis, an effect or relationship. Formulate. Last step is a formulation of hypothesis. We should, after getting a research, we should formulate that is an null hypothesis or alternative hypothesis. We should give only one answer. Hypothesis means only one. We should give that one answer. It is a true or false. These are the steps to, these are the formulations of research in hypothesis. Simply I explain in this what are the steps of hypothesis. State the problem. We should define the problem. What is the problem in that topic? We should know that. Then we are going to conduct a literature review. If X1 did review, we are going to for example X and Y. X did research in that same topic before 3 to 4 years, and why you are going to doing the research in this year. What is the gap in the research that they should find out. Identify the variable. What is it? Is an independent variable or a dependent variable? That should they should find out. Make an educated guess. What you are finding that research that you should guess. Ensure the testability. We should ensure it is a true or false, and we should ensure. Write the hypothesis. We should write the hypothesis. It is a null or alternative hypothesis. We should write in the in the research. These are the important stages of formulating the research hypothesis. Thank you guys.